Okay, so today we're going to be unboxing this brand new, what is it? Cessna 182. I don't know how to pronounce it. Don't judge me. Okay, so this has a gyroscope and it's a 2-channel airplane. It has 2 motors. The one in the front right here, this one doesn't work. It's just for decoration. But these 2 are the ones that are going to give us the power. So it's a twin turbine. And let's open this. We got this from Amazon. Had good reviews. So this is what it comes in. It's made of EPP foam, so it's flexible. It won't snap. So these are our motors that are going to be supplying the power. These are the connectors that we connect it into the plane with. This is the actual plane. As you can see, this is decoration. It's not actually gonna work. So this is the battery. I guess they already put the battery in. Is that battery plugged in? I'm not sure. Just a little annoying. Why'd they do this? Okay. You know what? We can do that later. So then it has a switch on the bottom. It's 2.4 gigahertz. So yeah. It seems like it's good quality. It has, none of this will actually move. The back is really stiff, which I guess is a good thing because you don't want the tail to curve. Otherwise, it's gonna make it not go in a straight line. These are extra propellers, landing gear, and this is the instructions. So let's set this to the side. Oh, one more thing. Tiny controller. That's actually pretty cool. I'm gonna set that right there. So we can start with the instructions. Is this all in Chinese or is there an English side? Okay, there's an English side. All right. So it looks like it looks like you have to attach the wires first and then put the thing on. I'm just guessing that black and white goes with black and white and red and blue goes with red and blue. I'm guessing. I'm completely guessing this. If it doesn't work, then too bad, so sad. This is hard to plug in. I'm plugging it in the right way, aren't I? Oh, I plugged it in the wrong way. Yep. Okay, that works. Let's plug this in. That one's plugged in too. So then we put this wires and stuff in this little space. How are we gonna fit this? Do we just... Okay. Should I throw it just to see if it glides? No? Okay. I guess we'll put the landing gear on. This was actually really easy to assemble. You know, I actually used to have a jet, but my first jet, RC jet, my uncle, he flew it away at Cogburn Park. Oh, you did that, not me. You just did that. Yeah, you did. Oh yeah, you're right, that was me. Okay. This is quite annoying. Oh, I figured out the trick. Isn't there supposed to be like a screw or something that goes in there? Yeah, there is. There's a screw right here. This is what's supposed to keep it. See, it wasn't my fault. I'm talking to the cameraman. Or camera woman, I should say. It's my mother. She films all my videos. Thank you. you film all my videos, and now we are at, what, 350 subscribers? If you're seeing this now and I have 1,000 subscribers, just know that you should definitely subscribe, because it's gonna be an old video. If you see this video, you should definitely subscribe. I'm actually pretty popular. Okay, now the wings are screwed on. It's not gonna come off. Looks like this is ready. I just need to put the landing gear in, so that way it can actually land and stuff. Doesn't look like it comes with back landing gear. Yeah, it doesn't. So what, does the tail just drag on the ground when it takes off? I guess so. This is the landing gear. You know that you always got to get this plastic landing gear that breaks in 2 seconds. These things are so annoying to put in. Oh, got it. Now, look at that. Wait, when I move it forward, this thing starts to spin in the direction. Should I do a quick test? Wait, just turned it on. All right, I'm gonna try and take out the battery and charge it. Does it? Okay, it comes with a charger. That's good. Yeah, you should subscribe. Make sure to do all of that. I should probably... Did it come with an extra screw? Yeah, it did. Okay. This screw is to keep this thing closed. Okay, it's AA. Okay, thank gosh. I thought it was gonna be AAA. We don't have AAA. That's looks like the end of the video. Wait, I'm gonna go get some AA batteries real quick. Okay, I have the big batteries. Let's put them in the controller. Also, by the way, if you don't know already, I am a very young electric engineer. Okay, this thing turns on. Look, that should signal that it's turning on. By the way, I didn't read any of the instructions. I just looked how to put the wings on. So, most of the instructions are useless because this already came pre-assembled. Like, it shows how to put the propeller on and everything, but I'm like, why would you need to include instructions on how to do that if it already comes self-assembled? Maybe they're like bought this trademark off of a different company. That's what they're doing. Oh, okay, the wire got stuck in there. I'm gonna see if the battery came pre-charged, because usually it does come pre-charged. And then we can try it. Are you excited to try it? Yeah? No? Maybe so? Okay, it plugs in. Yeah, battery's dead. Alright, guess we can't do that test. Yeah, I guess I'll see you in another video. This was a very fun thing. I've been waiting, what, 3 days to earn this? It was a $30 plane. Looks really good. Definitely excited. I'm gonna fly it probably at soccer practice. Because, you know, the soccer fields are incredibly big, so you can just fly it there. But yeah, my old jet, my uncle crashed, then he bought me a new jet. And a couple weeks after he bought it, one of the motors got wet and stopped working while it was drizzling, so that was really sad. And then I tried repairing it with my own motors, but it was faster than the other motor, so I repaired both of the motors and switched them both out, and then it just started smoking and it couldn't handle that much voltage. It was smoking. The battery got puffy, so I know that's a bad sign. Don't touch that stuff. I ripped the motors out. It was really bad. I'm so sad. But now I have a new plane. Bye. Hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure to subscribe and watch my shorts. And yeah, that's it. Bye.